Gratuity Solutions presents PayDay Portal, CHOICE Payout Engine, real-time payout options controlled inside PayDay Portal. Once the business date is approved and closed, eligible daily earnings appear for each employee in the PayDay Portal app. Employees choose the route that works for them: direct to bank, direct to debit, direct to pay card, or direct to Visa reloadable. A PayMe request moves funds in real time with a 99-cent convenience fee and no employer cost. Choice adds flexibility without replacing payroll. Unrequested funds stay on the normal scheduled payroll cycle. Daily reconciliation reports match paid-out earnings, retained payroll balances, and audit records so every payout stays visible. Choice Payout Engine gives teams real-time pay options, while Gratuity Solutions keeps payout, payroll, and compliance workflows aligned.